pain. It's the worst. We created the world's simplest back pain relief, the Chirp Wheel.
Oh, wow, that really works.
I want to have a creative offer for you guys. If we do over $100 million in sales next year, I would love to cut you a check for the $1 million, what you invested back.
So if I gave you an offer right now for $900,000 for 2%, you're telling me that you would give it back to me at the end of the year. So I will give you that offer if you will do that.
You want creativity? Here it comes. I'll give you the $900,000 for 2.5% equity, and I want a royalty of $3 a unit till I get back $2.7 million.
Lori, you got a deal.
Yeah.